Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting playlists on the YouTube mobile app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the YouTube app on your phone. On the home page of the app, tap on the Library tab in the bottom right corner. If you want to delete a specific video from the playlist, you can tap on the 3 vertical dots button to the right of the video, and then tap Remove from Playlist. To delete the entire playlist, tap the 3 vertical dots button in the top right corner of the page. Then select Delete Playlist. Tap Delete on the pop-up. Your playlist will now be deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more YouTube tips and tricks.